When we look at what we know about the cosmos, it's a very intriguing discovery that it seems that the cosmos has just been made in a way that it allows intelligent life to exist. And if you look at all the possibilities how the cosmos could have looked like too, then this is surprising, because in most constellations of the basic force constants and masses of elementary particles and so on, there would be no option for life, because either the cosmic time scale would be much too small and the cosmos would have collapsed after a few seconds even, or after a few years. On the other hand, if the cosmos would have expanded too fast, there would not have been any chance for galaxies to form, or even for molecules and atoms to form, because the expansion rate would have been just too strong. So it is very interesting that when you look, for example, at the balance of the gravitational force between the galaxies and the stars and the expanding power that stretches out space-time, these are in a very delicate balance, which was calculated by theoretical astrophysicists to an accuracy of 1 to 10 to the power of 60, which means if you change the value of the anti-gravitational expanding force, the dark energy as it is often called, of the universe, by only 0.000, you have 59 zeros after the dot, and then a 1. If you change the value by this tiny little amount, either positive or negative, you won't get a universe that allows for life to exist. And that's just one parameter in these equations and in the structure of the universe. There are many more parameters, like the mass of the electron, or the charge of the electron, or the gravitational force constant, or the electrical force constant, or the strong force, weak force, and fine structure constant. And there are several parameters, like there are of the elementary particles and the force carrier particles that need to be fine-tuned to a very delicate degree. This is one part of the cosmic fine-tuning. It's the fine-tuning of the whole cosmos, of the structure of physics. But the second part is, once you have such a universe, why does life exist in such a universe? Because in most parts of the universe you don't have enough energy if you are not close enough to a star, or you have too much energy if you are close to a blazing star sending out X-ray bursts and so on, which many stars do actually. So it's very peculiar that our sun just exhibits just the right properties that are necessary for a planet like Earth, that life can flourish on this planet. Of course, the planet itself also must be at the right distance from that star. Then the star needs to have the right luminosity, the right energy flux, not too strong and not too weak, the right history to have enough time for Earth to be prepared for that. Then you need a right axis. If the axis tumbles too much, you don't get stable climate on that planet, and you need liquid water on that planet. That's a big prerequisite. And so there are several factors, like the moon or even Jupiter is very important for us, for our planet. And we take all that together. It's just amazing how fine-tuned the solar system is for life to exist on the planet Earth.